Hi, this video will show you how to download data from HOBBES. So remember, well, the first thing is we can actually look for HOBBES in a regular Google um, search engine, and it will bring you to this web page, hobbes.ucdavis.edu, which is actually the page that we have already open here. In HOBBES, in order for you to access the database, you need to click here in this California Water Network. When you click in here, it will come this page, which actually showing HOBBES, the database associated to water resources for California. But in this case, just to make it a little bit easier, I recommend you that you use this open map full screen. Now, once we have this map open, remember that the idea of HOBBES is to have a database that is easy to use and that we can download data in an organized and documented way. At this point, what I want to download is the data from Lake Berryessa. And Lake Berryessa is located in the Sacramento River Basin. And actually, if we go a little bit closer, Lake Berryessa should be somewhere here. So, as you can see, this is here it says this is the control point, the node for Lake Berryessa. This is one way for you to download to look for these control points in the map. The other one is that you click the command that says search and type Lake Berryessa, and this control point will come. So this control point, once you are in this page, this control point Lake Berryessa has this information: climate, cost. It has the elevation area capacity curves. It has some of the evaporation. It has the storage, and at the bottom here it has the associated documentation. You can always change the period of how this information is displayed with the bar that is located here at the bottom. So for us to download all this data, you just click the button here that is called download, and it will prompt a dialog window where you just need to save where do you want to save this this file. In this case, we're gonna save it in this folder that is called downloads. So that all this information has been saved here. So for instance, if we open this file, what you're gonna see is that in this case the inflows. So this time series data of inflows is the one that was stored here in this tab that is called inflows default and .csv. And as you can see, in this case, it started the time series data from 1921 all the way down to 2003. This is the data, the database that HOBBES is showing, and here it tells you the date and the units. It is the same for evaporation, for the elevation area capacity curve that I just showed you some minutes before. So you can find all the information that it was displayed here in this web page. You can download that information by clicking this this button. The other thing is that the file that you download, it doesn't have the documentation that is provided here at the bottom. So for you to download that documentation, you need to click the button of GitHub, and in here there is a file called README. When you download here, this is the file that you can download for the documentation of this specific control point. So in this case, for the inflows, what is the documentation associated with that time series data? For evaporation, for the area capacity, for the initial storage. That's the information that you can download going to GitHub. So this is how you can download data from HOBBES. Remember that we have, in this case, more other videos and documentation in the main page of HOBBES when you click these different icons. Thank you.